Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I am Valitra, the crafty black girl. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys this basket that made me 200 big ones. That's right. So I started off with this bear, just jumping right into the video, and I am tacking him down my favorite way. Y'all know I use these skewers for everything. I went ahead and just took him through his legs. It's going to be a little bit rough to do, but just keep going. Don't make a huge hole. Just, poke it in there, secure him into the paper. So make sure the bear is, in good shape. Ain't nothing hanging, no strings or anything like that. And then I'm just trying out some different things here, and I decided to put that chocolate there as well as this gift set. That's another gift set that I got from City Trends. That one was $15. It was quite pricey. However, I knew that it would go into a bigger basket, and I would still be able to get some, get a little extra from it. So then I went ahead and this is what I did with one of those wine bottles that I showed you in previous videos. And I just wanted to clean it off, make sure I didn't have any glitter just hanging anywhere. And I just added that little bow just, to add some little detail, whatever. So this is what I did with the wine glasses. I had to put the wine with the wine glasses. Be careful if y'all want to try to recreate this, because as you can see, I'm about to drop the whole thing. And I actually did break one of the glasses, so I had to replace it with another one. But luckily, I only paid 50 cents for those glasses. But we do not want to waste inventory. And lastly, you always want to add some seasoning to your basket. I don't know if I showed y'all this before, but I always season my baskets with glitter. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and tie up this big old bear and put a nice ribbon on here as well as a bow. I'm not using curling string for this basket because this is a higher price basket. I want it to look more, want it to be quality. I don't want to add any, plastic little strings. I want to add ribbon, actual ribbon. And I made that big bow that Felicia taught me how to make. Thank you, sis. Birthing Bosses, and she is Birthing Bosses, babes. So now I am shrink wrapping this. I'm not going to completely shrink wrap it, but I am going to hold the top. Sorry, I didn't film way up there, but this is what we have. Completed, beautiful basket. Yeah, I was a little nervous about this one. This is my first high price basket, but it sold right away. So just to give you an idea, this is the basket that made me big bucks. So if you want to make you one, just include some stuff like this. So you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, see you later. Okay, bye.